In this video, we're going to talk about a couple of options available for Oracle customers when it comes to their Oracle Java licensing strategy. Option number one is what we call the head in the sand. And what is it? It is when you're choosing to ignore the Java licensing changes and you're not taking any actions towards either purchasing the new Java SE employee license metric and that you believe that your company will not be audited by Oracle. What are the risks with this approach? Oracle will have the ability to see if your company have downloaded Java or are you updating Java. Oracle Java is by far the most easily audited product that Oracle has. They do not need to run any script on your environment. They can simply send a letter to you, and if you say that you're not running Oracle Java, they ask you to certify that in a letter signed by a C-level executive where you're saying that your organization has no Oracle Java installed on end-user devices or servers. The risks with this approach is that you face to be paying 3 years backdated support and then for the future usage. If you would have purchased something proactively with Oracle, you can negotiate away the backdated usage and only pay for the future. Option number two is moving away from Oracle Java. This option involves attempting to migrate away from Oracle JDK and choosing an alternative such as Azul or OpenJDK. During the migration process, customers can opt to purchase the Java SE licenses or not. It depends on the specific circumstances. How long will the migration take, for example? What is the risk tolerance of your company if you're audited by Oracle? The risks are that if you don't fully understand which deployments in your data center and on end-user devices requires Java licensing, you may mistakenly think that some Java usage is free, and then you're not migrating those servers or those end-user devices. That's why it's very important that you fully understand your licensing for Java, both on servers and end-user devices, can take the action of either purchasing or moving away from Oracle Java. Option number three is that you are going to purchase employee Java SE licenses. And that is that you cannot migrate away from Oracle JDK very soon. You're looking at purchasing Java SE at lowest cost possible. This means that you have to negotiate the employee Java SE universal subscription. The risks are that if you do not have negotiation leverage, you will be overpaying to Oracle. How much you're going to pay is simply to look at the price list for Java SE employee. It's very important that when you approach Oracle, that you've done your homework, you fully understand what is in your data centers that requires a license, how much are other organizations paying for Java, are they paying for the retroactive usage, what are the discounts possible to negotiate for your type of organization. And the risk here is that not knowing your Java usage decreases your negotiation leverage. What are our final recommendations? Number one, find out which servers and end users that requires a Java license. That should be number one. We speak to organizations who have misunderstood what is required to license Java. It's very important that you go back and actually validate and verify the findings. Did you get Java licensing correct the first time? It is important to note that some Java usage is free. Some Oracle products provide free usage of Java. That's important to study because you don't want to go and purchase Java licenses if you have them free from another product. Getting all the facts about your Java deployments is the foundation to understand what are your options in terms of either migrating away from Oracle, going to OpenJDK, or negotiating with Oracle. And lastly, have an audit defense plan ready because we think that Oracle will start to audit customers in a much higher frequency than they did in the past 2 years. Hope this was helpful. If you need help with Java licensing, you can reach out to us at Readers Compliance.